Wake Up Jonny. Written by Kamille John, illustrated by Rhonda L.R. Hollingsworth. Jonny loved to sleep, and not just at night. He slept in the day with the sun shining bright. But today was special. He had friends to meet, yet still he snuggled right under his sheet. Wake up, Jonny! Dad stepped in the room. Jonny jumped out of bed and dashed with a zoom. He ran to the bathroom, hopped into the shower, but he was in there for almost an hour. Wake up, Jonny! Mum knocked on the door. Jonny woke up again, sleepy no more. He dressed really fast, did not make his bed, then rushed for his breakfast, cocoa tea and toast bread. Wake up, Jonny! Your head's on the plate. Today is Fish Day. You are already late. He grabbed his bag, stood on the bus stair. He was now worried. Would he fit there? Wake up, Jonny! Mrs. Frieda was calling. His bag had opened, everything falling. The bus drove round corners and over some hills. Jonny was sleeping again. He missed all those thrills. Soon the bus stopped. The journey was done. All the people got out, all except one. Not a sound could be heard. Then, wake up, Jonny! His friends were outside, George, Jill, and Bonnie. Jonny was surprised. He looked out the window. I just took a nap. Where did the time go? He picked up his things, hopped out with his dish. His naps nearly cost him a day with the fish. He snatched up his rod, added his bait. He should start fishing. It was getting quite late. He spread out his towel, put his bag in his lap. I will never sleep that much again. Well, after my nap.